Good morning. My chapter topic is Debating Boundary, the Rise of Regional Imbalance in Taiwan. Regional imbalance is a popular search term on Taiwanese websites. On PTT and Dcard, which are both popular Taiwanese social media, there are about 150,000 threads discussing price differences, transportation, food, and manner of speaking that people get unfamiliar in the different cities. Although the discussions on these two platforms are experience sharing, the regional imbalance is severe. As a more developed region, Taipei, located in the north, and its surrounding cities are favored by government policy and funding. The other cities that are not in the north region do not show the same good resources and are difficult to provide fundamental construction for residents. The disparate development among the northern region and the other three regions in Taiwan is reflected in population, economy, and infrastructure due to the different industrial bases. In Taiwan, the region with insufficient resources are the central region, the eastern region, southern cities like Chiayi County and Pingtung County, and island districts. They are all disadvantaged in population, economy, and fundamental resources. According to the data collected by the Department of Registration of Taiwan, Chiayi County's population has the highest percentage of people over 65 years old, and Taitung has lowest population density. In these two cities, young adults leave their hometown and find jobs in Taipei, which leads to insufficient labor in the cities. The quality of life is deficient in these regions. They do not provide enough medical resources for residents, since there are no medical center or only one certified hospital. In Cayman Islands, every doctor has to serve up to about 1,583 people, but the doctor in Taipei City only had to serve 258 people. This is the data for basic medical needs. If the people in these regions need more medical resources, they need to go to Hualien County and Changhua County, which are the only two counties with medical center in these regions. The average transportation time in Taiwan to cross the city is 1 to 2 hours. The patients need to travel under their health condition, giving them many inconvenience and ignoring their safety. The economic circumstance does not seem optimistic in the central and the eastern regions. The main industries in these two regions are agriculture, heavy manufacture, and tourism, which cannot provide the workers stable income. According to the National Statistic of Taiwan, Central, Eastern, and the South have the most cities that did not reach the average income in 2019 compared to the other cities. If young adults are asked to do work that does not pay them enough, then there is no reason to stop them from moving north for a better payment. Economy is responsible for population migration. The North developed commercial and high technology under government support since the 1960s. Although the South started heavy manufacture and economic agriculture, these two industries' outputs never exceed commercial and high technology. In a report called 2019 Taiwan International Brand Value Survey, conducted by Taiwan Economic Research Institute, the top three brands are all technology or business related. However, there is only one heavy manufacturing company in the top 10 brands. The other companies are all service, business, or technology-based company in the northern region. Regional imbalance violates the basic rights of people and even widens the wealth gap in the society. The government needs to take feasible solutions like enacting a comprehensive funding plan, encourage regional cooperation, and favoring investments, while the development of a country should ensure and improve the living standard for people. The disparity has to be dealt for the economic prospects and civil benefits. Thank you.